Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect WP form after submission based on drop-down value in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using WP form plugin. So this is our form and then you see drop-down value of student, professional. So we are going to redirect form based on drop-down value select by user. Now go to form builder. So this is our form drop down. Now you see drop down ID 4 and then you see form ID 2782. So we are going to use form ID and field ID in custom code and we are not using WP Form Pro plugin. And first we are going to change confirmation setting. On left side you see settings, so click on it and then you see default confirmation. We are using free version and then you see confirmation type, drop down message. Now select go to URL redirect and then you see confirmation redirect URL. So you can add your form page URL. We added, now you see. So this is our form page URL. Now back to form builder and then click on save. Now changes save. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code and then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find all this code in video description or in comment section. So this is the function name and then you see form ID 2782. So you can add your form ID. Now go to form builder, in URL you see 2782 form ID. Now back to code and then you see form value of field 4. Now you see field 4 ID. So this is our drop down ID. Now go to form again. Now click on field and then you see drop down ID 4. So we are using ID 4 in custom code. Now back to code and then you see form value of student. If user select drop down value of student, then redirect to google.com. Now go to form builder. Now you see student, professional. Now back to code and then you see else if form value of professional and redirect to btdigital.ch. If user select professional value from drop down, then redirect to this URL and then you see else URL. If you want to add more value, now copy just else if. Now copy and then paste, then add your drop down value here and then change URL. Now you see, now remove. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to form page and refresh the page. So now we are going to fill this form. Now add name and then drop down we select student first. Now add email and then click on submit. Now you see form redirect to google.com. Now back to form again. Now we are going to fill this form again. Now select professional and then click on submit and then you see form submit to btdigital.ch website. So you can add drop down value and link according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.